couple of packages have arrived from America today for some items I bought on eBay. So let's open the boxes and see what we've got. Slit it open with a razor blade first. Open the box. Lots of paper. Take the paper out. There we have the two items. We'll open the other package. Plenty of bubble wrap on there. We'll cut that open. Here's the first watch. And the second one. There's the first of the watches. A Westclox pocket pen. The classic dollar watch. I'll open the back of the case. We'll see if we can find out what the date is. Put a case opener in the back. Twist it gently. Off it comes. Take the back off. There's the movement. Balance wheel's not moving. I will be servicing these pretty soon. It's got the date on the back there. Written down there, 9/51. So that's September 1951. That's how old that dollar watch is. All right, over to the next one. It's another pocket pen. I'll open the back case up. It's a bit tighter, that one. Go in under there, I think. Balance wheel not turning. We'll be doing a repair on this soon too, to see what the problem is, to get it working. Bit hard to read the numbers on that. We'll check that later on when we service it. Put the case back on again. I think that's, no, it hasn't yet clicked on. All right, now the next one, the Westclox Bullseye. We'll take the back of the case off, see what we've got. At least on this one, the balance wheel is working, but we'll do a check on it later on when we service it, and we'll see what condition it's in. Now, where's our date? Made in the USA. Can't see a date on that anywhere at the moment. But it seems to be working relatively well. The coils on the hairspring are equidistant. Could probably use an oiling, a cleaning and oiling. It'll run a little bit more smoothly than that. We'll put the case back on again. And the other one is another pocket pen. There it is there. A little wind up. Few marks on the back, but not too bad. A little bit of scratching. Considering how old these dollar watches are, they're in pretty good nick. Clip the back off. Hairspring's working in this one too. Should be moving marginally faster than that, but that's because it needs an oiling, cleaning and oiling. But the movement's certainly working. Once again, made in the USA. And I can't immediately see a date on that. Nope, can't see it. Right, I'll put the back of the case back on again. And then very soon, we're going to get round to opening those up, taking them apart and servicing them, cleaning them, oiling them, getting them running correctly. I think that's on. Yep, case is on there, all right. There it is running. If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.